Good afternoon, Patrick Rourke with MarineMax Yachts. Today we're going to be on board a brand new 2021 Galeon 510 Sky. We're going to start in the cockpit. We have it in beach mode right now, and the wings are out, and there is a ton of deck space, ton of entertainment space. Aft spinning seat, actuator on the table. It will go down with little effort. The entire component will spin aft, so you don't miss sunset anywhere you're sitting on the boat. Hydraulic swim platform. You have great steps that actuate down as you're going out. One other really neat option on board this boat also is a garage. Come on down, check it out. So with very little effort, you're going to see the garage easily opens. You have a very large amount of space for any supplies on your trip. Obviously the boat just came in, so she's still getting rigged. Supplies, paddle boards, even a small inflatable tender, a lot of space. Then you can leave the swim platform open for any kind of jet ski or anything you'd want on board. Let's step inside and see what else we have. Okay, as we enter the boat now, you're going to notice that with the wings open, we have an enormous amount of space. Starboard side, we have a really nice lounge that folds out. A lot of spacing all the way around, good access to walk all the way forward. But the big ticket's going to be on the port side. So on the galley side, when that's open, you have a full-size bar, 2 stools, a lot of entertainment space. Again, 15, 20 people in this area, no big deal. Full galley, very nice appointments here. Stove, microwave, obviously, freezer, fridge. Now, right now we're in the forward salon. What you're going to see is you have a nice TV on an actuator. Seating here, large wraparound seating around a table, which is also on an actuator, so you can do a cushion as well. You have a lot of people coming on the boat. You go ahead and just take the helm chair, spin it around, full lounging. You want some more people sitting forward for the table. You have your chairs slide right out and move forward for the table. Great way to partition right into the lower helm here. Bow stern thruster, twin Raymarine screens, autopilot, anything you really need. Really nice airflow here with the port and starboard windows opening. And you also have a massive sunroof overhead. So as we move down to the lower level on the Galeon 510 Sky, on this one we optioned out 3 stateroom, 2 head. Right first enter starboard is going to be your double bunk. Forward you're going to have your VIP, which does have access right into the day head. And then as you move aft, right into the master's quarters. Full beam master there. You also have a nice vanity on the port side. And of course on this one we also optioned out the washer dryer. So now one of the neatest features on the Galeon 510 Sky is the actuator that completely covers the entire top level. So if you didn't want to sit up here, you didn't want any of the area exposed, there's a track system that runs along the entire side of the boat, and it can completely cover up. So we have it in the open position, obviously. So you have a helm that pops up here, windshield, great seating, nice dinette. Wanted to come up, get some air on a beautiful Florida day. So lastly on this boat, we're gonna end on the bow, and it is a massive entertainment area. We have 2 large sun pads, port and starboard, 4 people comfortably across, and you get a really great shot to see how truly opened up and how much natural light you get on the Galeon 510 Sky. Come on down, check it out. MarineMax Clearwater, Patrick Rourke, 813-909-5064. Talk to you soon.